Before we dig into the Starfall resource, let's just discuss a little bit about the Common Core standards and objectives for kindergarten through second grade. We as teachers instruct, assess, grade, and summarize our students' mastery of the knowledge and skills per grade level. We as teachers use standards to be aware of what the student should be expected and be able to do at a specific age of their education. While determining the goals of the lesson, what and how to teach the students is important in order for the students to be able to achieve the learning expectations described in the standards. In order to generate standards-based learning, teachers must initially be aware of the standards. So I'm going to go ahead and share with you some of these standards that I think align really well with this Starfall resource. This is really important because students who fail to meet these standards need to receive additional instruction, practice time, and academic support to help them meet the expectation. Starfall provides students and teachers the learning experiences needed to meet many of the kindergarten through second grade reading foundational skills standards. There are 5 reading foundational standards, and I believe that Starfall can be a wonderful supplemental resource for RF3, 4, and 5. I will share those with you now. Looking at Reading Foundation Standards 3, starting with kindergarteners, the readers understand how words are put together and use that knowledge to help them read and write new words. The students are expected to be able to demonstrate understanding of spoken words, syllables, and sounds, recognize and produce rhyming words, count, produce, blend, and segment syllables in spoken words, blend and segment onset and rhymes, isolate and pronounce the initial, medial, vowel, and the final sounds in CVC words, add or substitute individual sounds in simple one-syllable words to make new words. That's a kindergarten standard. Then it progresses to the first grade standard, and we want the readers to be able to understand how words are put together and use that knowledge to read and write words. The standard RF3 would like students to demonstrate understanding of spoken words, syllables, and sounds, to be able to distinguish long from short vowel in spoken single syllable words, produce single syllable words by blending sounds, isolate and pronounce the initial, medial, and final sounds in single syllable words again, and segment spoken single syllable words into their complete sequence of individual sounds. This one only applies to kindergarten and first grade, but I do believe that these standards, if not met in first grade, will totally need to be addressed in second grade, so it does apply for them as well. Then we go over to RF4. In kindergarten, it would like readers to use patterns of letters and sounds to read the words. I'm going to let you read the standard at your own discretion. In first grade, the readers use their knowledge of syllable types to decode and read accurately. Readers use their knowledge of final E and common vowel team conventions to decode accurately and read fluently. Readers use their knowledge of inflectional endings to decode and read accurately. And in second grade, readers use what they know about letters and sounds to read smoothly with few mistakes. Now I'll go over to Standard 5. For RF5, we would like learners to understand that reading accurately and fluently helps you understand what you are reading. That applies to all 3 grade levels. So you'll see in Starfall when I go to show you how these standards truly can be supported through this learning experience.